Here are 5 actionable self-organization tips to help you stay productive at work. Prioritize your tasks daily. Each morning, list your tasks and rank them by importance and urgency. Start with the most critical ones. Use methods like the Eisenhower matrix to make prioritizing easier. Break big tasks into small actions. For any large project, write down the individual steps you need to take. Focus on completing one small task at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Schedule time blocks. Assign specific times in your calendar for each task. For example, block out 9 to 10 a.m. for emails, 10 to 12 p.m. for focused work. Stick to these blocks to avoid distractions and multitasking. Organize your workspace. Dedicate 10 minutes at the start or end of each day to declutter your desk. Organize digital files into labeled folders so you can easily find what you need without wasting time. Set personal deadlines. Even if a task doesn't have an external deadline, set one for yourself. Add it to your calendar or task manager and treat it like a real deadline to stay motivated and accountable. By implementing these steps, you'll create a more efficient, productive work routine that keeps you focused and in control. Was this helpful? Subscribe for more videos or visit simpleshow.com for more resources. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. We love hearing from you.